Solved problems. Preparation of trial balance with account balances. Problem. Did anyone know on how to balance this as report form and account form? Below is the account of cruise company for the year ended December 31, 2022. Below is the account of cruise company for the year ended. The balances are as under: utilities expense 3000, account receivable 15,000, cash 54,000, salaries expense 32,000, accounts payable 16,000, depreciation expense building 8,000, depreciation expense office equipment 3,000, accumulated depreciation equipment 6,000, advertising revenue 152,000, accumulated depreciation buildings 16,000, land 500,000, buildings 700,000, supplies on hand 1,700, supplies expense 2,800, taxes expense 1,800, supplies payable 15,000, office equipment 40,000. Mrs. Cruz achieved capital at the beginning 1,156,300. Solution. Account titles debit credit trial balance. Utilities expense debit 3000, accounts receivable debit 15,000, cash debit 54,000, salaries expense debit 32,000, accounts payable credit 16,000, depreciation expense building debit 8,000, depreciation expense office expense debit 3,000, accumulated depreciation equipment credit 6,000, advertising revenue credit 152,000, accumulated depreciation building credit 16,000, land debit 500,000, buildings debit 700,000, supplies on hand debit 1,700, supplies expense debit 2,800, taxes expense debit 1,800, supplies payable credit 15,000, office equipment debit 40,000. Mrs. Cruz asset capital at the beginning credit 1,156,300, total debits 1,361,300, total credits 1,361,300. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.